Hey there mga my love spices! Thank you so much for always staying here with me in this channel. So yan, bago natin simulan ng inyong December 2023 reading, reminders na hindi ito for everybody and just take only what resonates with you. Siyempre wala tayong gender dito, babae, lalaki, LGBT, cross-watchers, you're all welcome here mga babes. Just take how this resonates and please apply this into your own unique situation. Kaya naman, ano pang hinihintay natin, no? I-check out na natin ang mga messages dito for you guys for December 2023. This is for Pisces. Spirits and Angel Guides, Archangel Michael, thank you so much. Can we please have messages for Pisces? Messages for Pisces this December 2023, please. Pisces. Pisces. Okay. I-shuffle na rin muna natin ito mga babes, no? Tell me more about my Pisces for December 2023, please. Messages for Pisces before 2023 ends. Messages for Pisces. December 2023, please. Oh, okay. Alam mo, Pisces, nakakuha ko rito na meron ka ritong special na bisita, no, pagdating ng December. This person right here, special siyang bisita. Alam mo kung bakit? Kasi nagsa-stand out yung energy mo. Like literally, no, pag kunwari nakita mo lang yung kapitbahay ninyo, eh, normal lang, di ba? Wala kang nararamdaman. Pero dito, I'm getting that word triggered. Yan, no? Pero nakukuha ko rito, medyo hindi yun yung parang happy ka na makita siya, no? Triggered in a way na parang pwedeng negative yung maramdaman mo about that person. Okay? Pero, pwede rin naman, no, na ayaw mo lang siyang makita. Yan. No? Pero may bisita ka, no? But I'm seeing you showing respect pa rin. Okay? At saka this is you maintaining here your energy. So, hindi ko siya nakikita ang sisigawan mo. Pero yun nga, nakaramdam ako ng energy coming from you guys, no? Na hindi mo siya gustong makita. Ooh. So, pwedeng nakasamaan siya ng loob or pwedeng ayaw mo lang talaga makipag-deal sa kanya. So, ilatag naman na natin lahat. This is for your December, Pisces. Tamang urong-urong lang para magkasya. Oh. Oh. I'm seeing new love popping out for you guys. You might meet this person here. Actually, hindi December. Pwedeng nakukuha natin dito na parang siya yung may kailangang asikasuhin ngayong December. Okay? Pero kasi dahil pinapakita sa atin yun, ibig sabihin, no, ito kasi yung magiging person mo. Yan. Mamaya na yung chika dyan. Latag muna natin. Wow. Ganda nito. Friends. You have wish fulfillment with the Nine of Cups energy. Yung iba uwing probinsya, doon magki-Christmas. Or uuwi, sasama sa pamilya. Yan, no. Parang siguro ito kayo, parang yung trabaho ninyo na malayo. Tapos, hindi nyo kasama yung family ninyo. Mukhang may pag-uwi rito, no. sa inyo rito na bahay, no? Or dito sa inyong family, you're gonna spend time, or pwedeng, yung iba, pwedeng reunion to, pagsasama-sama, na pati yung mga relatives, just take how this resonates, no? Pero nakikita ko rito na parang, this is you, no? You're gonna spend here your Christmas together with your loved ones, no? Yung mga nakapaligid sa'yo, no, are giving me the vibe or energy na itong mga tao na to is totoong mga tao sa'yo, at yung mga intentions nila, no, at ang energies nila, no, is talagang naniniwala sila sa kakayahan mo. Hindi ko nakikita na meron sila ritong parang binibigay, no, na negative intentions na energy sa'yo. Like, this is your soul tribe, this is your community. Pwedeng friends, kung sino man yung mga makakasama mo ngayong December, no, pwedeng pagsalubong ng Christmas or New Year, okay? Sila yung mga right people na tinuturing mo sa buhay mo. Nice. Look at that. You've got double Seven of Pentacles energy. Okay? So, nakikita ko dito na meron ka ditong desisyon na kailangan gawin. Okay? With these people here, which are not healthy, no? Na makipag-deal ka sa mga taong ito. Which is, I do feel like, kung sino man yung mga yan, okay? Pwedeng yan yung mga tao rito, no? Na may ayaw sa'yo. I think you're gonna cleanse this energy here. Hindi mo na sila kakausapin, like, i-detach mo yung energy mo sa kanila. This is you moving away from these people here, cutting them off. So, pwedeng maglinis kang literal na mga friends list mo sa social media, Facebook, yan, no? Itignan mo yan isa-isa, magbubura ka, magdi-delete ka, magtatanggal ka, mag-unfriend ka, mag-unfollow ka, because this is you choosing here peace. Pwedeng matagal na rin kasi mga babes na nandiyan sila, no? And they're draining your energy whether you know it or not. May parte dyan, no, na parang pag nagbasa ka ng kanilang mga posts or statuses, no, especially I'm seeing yung mga may mura, or parang, um, you know that kind of energy. Kunwari yung status, no, masaya yung status, or masaya yung tinutumbok na punto or topic ng status ng person na yun, example, no, pero sa dulo may mura, it's something negative pa rin. So this is you're removing them, especially if they are not included in your life, no? Parang kilala mo lang, okay, pero hindi naman kayo nagkakausap. This is you cleansing, okay, your friends list, no? Hindi lang yan. Kung ano pa yung mga nandiyan sa bahay nyo, this is you na magtatapon ka, no, ng mga damit, or baka nakakuha tayo ng pag-aayos dito, no? So, pwedeng ikaw to, nalilinisin mo yung bahay ninyo, yung mga gamit rito, mga makikita mo, no, na may kinalaman sa nakaraan, either tatapon mo na yan or ibibigay mo, no, ibibigay mo hindi sa mga kamag-anak, kundi ibibigay mo sa mga taong hindi mo kakilala, pwedeng sa mga nasunugan or baka sa charities, no, para talagang, actually yung reason mo dito, no, is para talagang hindi mo na makita yun ever, no, yung malayo talaga, no, like literally idodonate mo ito, no, para hindi mo na makita, no, although hindi ko sinasabi na wala sa heart mo yung pagdodonate, pero kasi this is you, one of your main purpose is not to see that thing anymore, okay, because you're trying to cleanse your energy, and it's good. Kasi, yung iba kasi, tagal nyo nang na-stuck sa ganyan, no? Yan, nakikita ko rito, nagmo-move forward na kayo, which is really, really good, no? At dahil nga dyan, pumapasok na rito yung isang tao rito, no? Na I think this is new love here. Let's talk about this person. On December, this person, you will not see this person pa. Not yet pa. Kasi siya tong may aayusin. This is someone here who is giving me this kind of energy na marami siyang responsibilidad. Could be a boss and a provider as well in the family. Could be a boss or could be somewhat owning a business as well. Kung sino siya, well established siya rito, no, at hindi pa siya nakaka-move on sa kanyang nakaraan. Yun yung challenge niya. This person has to deal into his or her own trauma. Face it, no? Face this person's fear, no? At kailangan niyang hilumin ang kanyang sarili all by his or herself alone. And that's that this person has to do this December. Bakit ito sinasabi sa'yo? Because this is your person. This person here is appearing as that someone na magiging special sa'yo this coming 2024 right here. This person will enter your heart space. Let's get straight to the point. Okay? Kasi nakikita kitang mag invest dito, like this is a double confirmation na mag invest both sides. This is your side and that person's side in here. Double Seven of Pentacles energy. This person's gonna invest with you, show his or her emotions and feelings for you, and you're gonna do the same. Mm, oo. This is passionate love in here. Okay? This will make you feel really excited and this person will feel also excited about this one. Parehas nyo mararamdaman yan. So this gives me this kind of energy that this is new to you. So this could be new love here. Pwedeng pumasok na sa life ninyo kailan lang, no? Pero yung pagtama ng feelings and emotions, no, is I'm seeing coming in 2024 for you guys. And if this is you making asikaso sa mga documents right here, trabaho, visa, ano man yan, no, may kinalaman rito, no, sa pag-aasikaso ng mga files, dokumento rito, sa iba pwedeng cases ito, no, or kaso, no. I'm seeing na ito ay umuusad na ng mabilis with the chariot card in here. Because the universe, okay, is helping you na on this one. Okay, nagpo-prolong na ito. Yan, no? So, the universe is interfering na on this one to help you out, no? Bibilis nito, kaya nakikita ko na kung ikaw tumitin na target kang paglipad, no? Na dapat ay nakalipad ka, no? Pwedeng may kinalaman sa trabaho sa ibang bansa or something to do with your career or kung ano man inaasikaso mo na may kinalaman sa uh, earning, earning a living, no, nakita ko na ikaw ay makakalipad na this 2024. Yan, no, tuloy-tuloy na to yung nakuha ko rito, no. So, kaya i-ready mo na, no, ang iyong mga gamit dyan. Orderin mo na, kailangan mong orderin at mamili ka na, no. Kasi nakikita ko, no, na ikaw ay aalis na. Ayan, no. Hindi ka naman napagtutulakan ng pamilya mo. O, sige na, go, go, go. Alis ka na. Wala namang gano'n. But I'm seeing you celebrating with them. I'm seeing you, no, na bago ka umalis, you're gonna spend more time with your family right here. Okay, maybe this is December here. Ayan, no. Nakikita ko kayo dito, no, na magsispend kayo ng time here with the family. Alam nyo, nakikita ko kayong aalis, pero nakikita ko na rin kayong uuwi dito. So, ibig sabihin, itong pag-alis mo na to, no, isa itong tagumpay para sa buhay na tinataguyod mo. Hindi ko sinasabing aalis kayo ng 2024, uuwi rin kayo ng 2024, ha, lalo na kung sa ibang bansa kayo pupunta. Ang ibig kong sabihin, no, Pisces, kung ano man yung ginagawa mo na yan, no, na may kinalaman sa trabaho, ay mag-focus. Ayaw mag-focus, wait lang mga babes. May kinalaman sa trabaho rito. Yun talaga yung problema ng cellphone. So, yun nga, may kinalaman dito sa trabaho mo, no? Ang sinasabi ko, uuwi ka na bitbit mo yung tagumpay. Six of Wands is right here. Nakikita ko na kung ang plano mo, no, is makapagpundar ng sarili ninyong bahay na matatawag niyong inyo ng pamilya mo or sarili mong bahay para sa sarili mo ritong life, no, na i-build sarili mong family, magagawa mo yun. And this is not just a house. Okay? This is your dream house. Okay? Yung design na gusto mo, ilang floor or stories ang gusto mo, yun ang nakikita ko rito. It's not just a house that you will buy. It's your dream house. So whether kung anong klaseng house yan or whether kung ilang palapag yan or whether gusto mong bumili ng gawa ng bahay, okay, it's your dream. Dream mo na makakuha ng sarili mong bahay, makabili ng sarili mong bahay, it's tagumpay. I'm seeing you right here na yan na yung umpisa at hudyat na yan. Minsan para lang ba sa mga lilipad sa ibang bansa, no? Yung mga babes na hindi lang ito para dun sa mga lilipad ng ibang bansa. Pwede rin yung mga dokumento na yun ay pwedeng maaaring isang formal letter no kung saan ikaw ay sinasabing hard na dito sa iyong in-applyan. No? Tuloy-tuloy na nakikita ko rito ang pag-process yun eh. Processing kasi no, in a positive way ng mga dokumento ito. So whether sa Maynila ka at nasa malayo ito na ibang parte ito ng Pilipinas, no, pwede rin yun. Okay, I'm seeing you gaining here. Like literally, you will have that money will wherever, when you feel this na parang Nine of Coins energy to this Four of Swords, this is yun, kung ano man yung perang magkakaroon ka, okay? Magiging magaan sa pakiramdam. Like literally, hindi mo nahahanapin yung pera, hindi mo na alam, hindi mo na ahagilapin yung pera yan, no? So, pwedeng kayo to na nag-struggle kayo when it comes to money, no? Sa mga previous months or previous years. Pero dito kasi nakikita ko dito the 2024 is looking pretty good for you Pisces kasi nakikita ko rito na makakapagbakasyon ka, makakapag-rest ka, 'no. Alam mo kasi nung nagkaroon ka ng mga problems regarding money 'no, kahit nagpapahinga ka yung utak mo isip ng isip, 'di ba? So, hindi ka rin nakapagpahinga. But dito makakaramdam ka talaga ng rest, like literally you will feel so light, prob problem mo is not the money anymore, this is you, mas magiging lighter yung vibe mo 'no, going to this 2024, 'yan. Lahat nakikita ko rito 'no. Tapos na mga babes 'no, ang pag-iisip ninyo na ng mga bagay na nakaka-stress especially when it comes to money because this is you winning, 'yan 'no. So yung iba mga babes 'no, hindi ko na kayo nakikita rito na nagda-doubt pa kasi kung ano man yung inaasikaso ninyo na may kinalaman sa money, nakikita ko 'no na nagiging maganda ito. Actually, you're dropping your burdens with this Ten of Wands energy right here. And you're not gonna tell other people about this. Okay? Hindi mo sasabihin na, oh, kasi gumaganda na yung buhay ko. Oh, kasi lumalaki na ngayon yung pera ko, yung sahod ko, yung money ko tumataas. Yung hindi ganun, no? Like, literally, you're silent about it. Yan, no? Unti-unti mong masosolve, no, yung mga problems when it comes to money. Kung meron ka mang utang or may loan ka or may kailangan ka rito na parang asikasuhin regarding money, no, masusolusyonan mo yan, but you're not gonna tell it with other people na, okay na, nabayaran ko na to, okay na, ganito. Yeah. It's like you're doing this silently, okay? And you're not being boastful about it. Okay? Hindi mo yan niyayabang. Okay? So, I'm seeing you right here receiving these wishes, no? Kasi yung iba, ang hanap niya lang naman, no, is parang um, wag ma-stress, parang makaramdam dito ng magaan na pakiramdam, maanwa na pakiramdam, no? And this is more than that, okay? Because you're gonna find yourself, no, in a very solitude, no? Na parang kalmado ka lang, no? Like everything here is falling into place, no? Naaayos rito ng parang wala ka masyadong ginagawa, which is really good. Kasi totoo naman talaga na tinutulungan ka dito ng yung mga angels and spirit guides, your guardians with the justice together with the chariot. Yeah. Alam mo, deserve mo to kasi yung iba, no, matagal yung hinanap, no, kung saan talaga kayo dapat magbilong or kung saan talaga yung path ninyo na pupuntahan, no. Yung parang ikaw to, no, na parang saan ba talaga yung dapat na path dumaan, Miss yan? Kasi hindi ko alam eh, dapat ba ganito, dapat ganyan, no. Mga babes, listen to your intuition. If you feel good about something, then proceed doing that, diba? If you're in doubt, then huwag mo munang gawin, diba? Yun yun, no? Listen to your intuition. And it looks like natututunan mo na maintindihan yun, no? In a deeper level. O alam mo lang, no? Alam mo lang na makinig ako sa intuition ko, sa mga desisyong gagawin ko. Pero this is you, no? Alam mo lang yun, pero hindi mo siguro masyado pang naiintindihan yung malalim na intindi nun. Don't worry because you're gonna, okay, discover a lot of things related to that and you're gonna figure it out all by yourself. No? May intindihan mo yan, no? See? And everything will fall into place. Why? Because you're now understanding what intuition means. Diba? Because you're now understanding what your angels and spirit guides want you to do. Where is the path you need to go? Where are you heading? Diba? So, yun yun. Okay? And, see, look at that. In the future, which is Saidugeth, the 2024 is the start of something brighter for you guys. Three of Wands energy together with the Magician. This is you. See, look at that. Look at that. See? Look at that magical wave of energy. This is you. You're gonna manifest more in the future. Tuloy-tuloy ko yung nakikita sa'yo rito, no? Pero yun nga lang, no? Lumalabas pa rin sa atin dito ang Nine of Swords energy, which is your challenge. I do get. Because, okay, some of my Pisces right here are really sensitive, okay, but I'm saying na kaya ninyong ma-overcome yan, okay? Basta, when you're manifesting, do not manifest when you are in doubt. Do not manifest when you are feeling so low in vibration. Do not manifest when you are sad or when you are feeling negative about things, okay? Or when you are having negative thoughts in your mind. No, release from that, okay? Make yourself happy, no? Ibigay mo sa sarili mo rito yung bagay na gusto mo, gawin mo yon, no? Keep yourself back on that track, okay? And then manifest, okay? So that yung manifest mo rito, no, is yung talagang mga bagay na gusto mong ma-attract sa life mo. Well, whatever it is, okay, you've got something here. Wherever you're heading, this really looks super bright for you guys, okay? And definitely, napakaraming mga bagay rito, no, ang pag-iinvestan mo ng panahon. And there's this person here na sobrang laki na makatutulong sa'yo. So, yung iba, no, kung sino man yung person yun na yan, no, na may inaasikaso ngayong December right here, that person is para sa iba is also the same person na makatutulong sa'yo rito when it comes to finances. So, either ma-meet mo yan sa workplace or either ma-meet mo yan, no, na may kinalaman rito sa pinagkakakitaan mo or money related or finances related, business related. Yeah. So, 2024 is really something here na magiging magandang simulain for you, Pisces. So, claim this, honey, because there's definitely, see, the death in here. Litaw ang araw dito. Not all decks in the tarot is litaw yung araw. So, dito ibig sabihin, no, meron talagang mas bright na future na naghihintay sa'yo. And I do get right here that this new beginning, this birth of a new life is 2024 here for you. Guys, so claim this, Pisces, because I know that you deserve this. So thank you so much. Love and light. Sarang ngayong anyo.